math class is finally over!
Yeah! But my horns are totally cooked!
Come on, Baby Cat! I've been waiting forever!
We're coming! We're coming! Hello, Baby Cat and Turbo Tail!
I'm so excited for speed time after school!
I'm having a great day! Get ready to eat my dust, losers!
Yeah! Lightning and me, zooming through the city. We're gonna win the race, looking very pretty.
You call that driving, Baby Cat? You nearly took us both out! Stay in your lane or prepare to be crushed!
Get ready, because here I come! This race is mine!
Better luck next time, T-Rex.
I'll show you what a real racer is!
It's okay, we'll catch him! Let's go!
Don't you know who I am?
I'm so sorry, Lightning. I promise I'll fix you. Please forgive me.
Don't you worry, kiddo. We'll have him fixed up in no time. He's still got the speed, and I'm the best mechanic around.
Good night, champ. Dream big, okay? We'll get that engine tuned up tomorrow.
It's perfect! Wow. Surprise, kiddo! Check out what I've been working on!
Wow! Dad, it's amazing! Thank you!
What is that? Where is the little car? That's not allowed! Let's go!
What's wrong? Too big to race, huh?
Me? Scared of a kitten? Never! I'm not scared! What just happened? How is that baby cat beating me? It is time for my special move. Let's see you catch this. What should I do now? Try and catch me now, Slowpoke!
destruction machine! Watch this!
Full power!
I don't accept the loss because the other car was too big.
You did it, son! I'm so proud of you!
Thanks, Dad. We finally made it. This is the best day ever. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Good night, Jay. I'm tired too.
It's too close.
Keep running.
Hurry, this way! We have to outrun it!
It's right behind us!
Go, go, move faster!
What is that?
It's coming right for us.
Oh, dear.
Help! They've got us! Run, Rabbit, run away!
I'm coming back for you.
Jay! Help us! The pig and bear were taken by a UFO!
Oh, man. Wait, what do you mean they found him?
Somebody help us! Put us down!
Robot McQueen has appeared! Robot McQueen will save us!
You dare capture my friends? I'll teach you a lesson! Shoot down Robot McQueen now! He's coming!
Robot McQueen is #1!
Robot McQueen? How can such a powerful machine exist on Earth? Your invasion ends here. Ka-chow!
Robot McQueen, help us! We're stuck here!
Oh God! Please, no!
Whew.
Woohoo! We did it! We finally beat those aliens!
Yeah, we won!
Oh, man!
I knew you'd come back for us. We were so scared.
It's finally over!
You saved us!
Oh, I knew you'd come back!
We did it, guys! We really did it!
He's back! You did it, Lightning! We won! Who is it?
Yes. Goodbye. I really like this toy, Dad. That was the best joke ever.
I know, right? We should do this again soon. No one needs me here anymore. I have to go.
Goodbye, kitten. I'm leaving.
Queen is in my hands. Stay tuned for the surprise. You should know by now, heroes don't win in my city. That little red toy is mine.
Don't look back!
Dispatch, we are in pursuit. Converging on target McQueen's location. ETA, 3 minutes. All Omega units, regroup at Sector Gamma. We are taking heavy casualties. Requesting immediate air support.
McQueen! 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 Queen! McQueen! McQueen!
Sorry, McQueen.